Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a heat gun or a hairdryer to soften the adhesive. Also, prepare some strong fishing line or dental floss. A plastic trim removal tool will be very helpful. And finally, make sure you have a good adhesive remover and a soft microfiber cloth for the cleanup. Next, thoroughly clean the area around the emblem to ensure a clear workspace. Then, using your heat gun or hairdryer, gently apply heat to the emblem. Move the heat source constantly for about 30 to 60 seconds to soften the adhesive without damaging the paint. This step is crucial for a smooth removal process. Now, carefully slide your fishing line or dental floss behind the emblem. Use a gentle sawing motion to cut through the softened adhesive. Work slowly across the entire emblem. If it's still stubborn, you can use a plastic trim tool to gently pry it away, but always be mindful of your paint. Patience is key here. Finally, it's time for cleanup. Spray your adhesive remover directly onto any remaining residue on the car's surface. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the adhesive. Then, using your microfiber cloth, gently wipe away the softened glue. Repeat this process until the area is completely clean and smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.